Have you ever thought that you could build a complete digital product, like an online course or an ebook, using only AI, then sell it and make real money, but you didn't know where to start? That was me too, until I discovered something amazing that I'm about to show you. The great news is that today, you don't need to be an expert or a professional writer to get started. All you need is a smart idea, a powerful AI tool, and a bit of consistency. Let me break it down for you step by step. First, you need to choose the right niche. Your niche is simply the main topic or area you'll focus on. And let me give you some real examples. You could create fitness content, teaching people how to lose or gain weight. You could share simple health and medical tips. You could make motivational content about building healthy habits and personal growth. You could even create a bodybuilding program or educational lessons that help students understand school or university topics better. The key is to pick something that has a real audience, people who are interested and willing to learn, and something you actually enjoy, because building a digital product takes consistency, not just excitement. Next, open your social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. You don't need anything fancy at first. Pick a clear name, a simple profile photo, and start building your presence as someone who helps others in a specific field. For example, I share easy nutrition tips, or I explain home workouts with no equipment, or I make math lessons simple and fun. Your audience should instantly understand what your page is about. Now let's talk about the tool that's going to save you an unbelievable amount of time, NoteGPT. This platform has everything you need to create educational content or even full digital products from scratch. Here's how it works. If you have a long YouTube video full of valuable info, just use the AI YouTube feature inside NoteGPT. It will summarize the video into clear, organized notes. If you've got a PDF or an ebook, use AI PDF. It gives you a clean, structured summary ready to use. Need a presentation? Try AI Presentation. Want a mind map or flashcards? Use AI Diagram or AI Flashcards. And even if you have no content yet, the AI book library gives you tons of ideas to get started from zero. You'll find the sign-up link in the description box below. You can try it for free. And if you want to use it like I do, with full access and unlimited comfort, you can upgrade to the paid plan to unlock everything. With these tools, you can collect content from videos, articles, or books and turn it into structured notes in minutes. Then the fun part begins, turning those notes into a complete digital product. For example, you can turn your lessons into a clean, well-designed PDF ebook or record short video lessons and make a mini online course. Once your product is ready, it's time to sell it. And the simplest way to do that is through Gumroad. Just upload your product, get your unique product link, and then place that link in the bio of your Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube profiles. That way, anyone who enjoys your content can buy your product with one simple click. Before publishing, take a little time to edit your content, organize your ideas, adjust the layout, and add some visuals using tools like Canva. A clean, easy-to-read product always sells better. Now, once your digital product is live, you'll want to market it smartly. And for that, you can use an amazing tool called Submagic. Submagic helps you create professional short videos, shorts or reels, in just minutes. You can take a small section from your course or ebook and turn it into an eye-catching video with automatic subtitles and effects that grab attention. And to help you get started, I've got a 10% discount code for you. Just use Minato10 when you sign up, and the link is also in the description below. This way, every short video you post will attract new followers and new buyers without hours of editing. The best part? You can start even if you have no experience or big audience. AI now does 80% of the work for you. Your only job is to add the human touch, your personality, your tone, your energy. So think about it like this. You pick a simple niche, build your social presence, use NoteGPT to summarize and organize ideas, turn them into a digital product, sell it through Gumroad, and then promote it using Submagic to attract buyers. It's a simple loop you can repeat again and again in different topics. And if you start today, in just a couple of months, you could have your first digital product generating real income. All it takes is 1 hour a day and a little commitment. Because now, AI tools can save you months of manual work. Start small today. Try NoteGPT from the link in the description and see how many ideas you can create in just a few minutes. Start building your AI-powered digital business, not someday, but today. And if you liked this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. I post every week tools and ideas that help you turn your skills and knowledge into real income online. And if you want me to dive deeper into these tools in future videos, leave a comment below. I really do read them all, and I'll pick your ideas for the next videos. See you in the next one.